Okay, ang Abdul Amstar Ibrahim. Yeah.
Car 682 going to the MAM. Gate number 12. Boarding time is 11:10 and the receipt is 68 seat.
Okay.
Can you check into baggage? Can you sign here? Sir, you ano na po? Hand carry.
Okay. Maraming salamat sa Philippine Airlines. Guwapa. Mabuhay and advance Merry Christmas and New Year.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. Salamat marami sa iyo and maganda umaga sa iyo. Hope you have nice day. I'm vlog ha. It's okay? And that's Facebook ha. And Snapchat. Marami tao they will follow me then so you. Kasi I love Philippines. Tapos na ito. Maraming salamat. And handsome Boogie. Di ba? Boogie.